Good morning, my bosses. My name is Mike. As you may know, we're launching a product with my partner, Adam Jacob, on Friday, the 24th of June, 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this product is called CryptoVolution. It's an automated video blog for affiliate marketing, and it's going live on this day. And I am appealing that you help me with promotion. Actually, in the past, this product, a similar product we have done in the past, has done very well, did actually very well, and converted in the excess of 10% and above, and the refund was actually very low, about 1.6%. That indicates that this product is definitely going to be good for your subscribers, and of course it will work for anyone who is looking to make money online affiliate marketing. It's automated in a way that basically sit back and have the system harvest content for you, and it's definitely going to convert. And I appeal to you, man is God to man, they say, and I know that with your help, climbing to the staircase, through the staircase to success will be a thing of joy, and I rely on you and your good hearts to make this one happen. Okay, I will see you definitely on the other side. Thank you so much.